We are a systematic company, and we are a Swedish company. We have a factory in Turkey. That's why we are right now. We are part of a Turkish HVAC-R Association. Our factory is 30,000 square meter closed area, and we are number one manufacturer inside Turkey. We manufacture AHU, chiller, fan coil, air distribution product, and each kind of fan. We are very happy to be part of this exhibition because it's quite efficient exhibition and it's over our expectation. And hope next year again we will come and participate this exhibition, and we eager to looking for a new partner and new companies in Egypt territories. Environment and presentation and services for cleaning and entrance and all activities very quite good. Thank you for your hospitality, and we are very happy to be part of this exhibition. Thank you very much.